thank you for the opportunity to present our paper entitled Need Analysis of Traceability System Design for Lean Logistics System in Layer Poultry Farm. Introduction. What is traceability system? Traceability is the ability to access all information about a product throughout its life cycle by using a system of recorded identification. Traceability also relates to the ability to track and to trace along the supply chain. So, why traceability is important to support our business? We have some reason why traceability is important. First one, to ensure compliance with the regulatory requirement, and then to ensure quality control through monitoring of the manufacturing processes, to reduce the risk of product recalls, and to help manage good customer relationship and address customer complaint, and then to save money and time. Finally, to locate and resolve inefficiencies across the supply chain. Next, why traceability important for lean logistics? In this context, we must explain about two fields of the study in this paper. We talk about the logistic and we talk about the lean. Lean related with the waste types, and the logistic talk about the seven R's of the logistic. What is a 7 R's of the logistic? The 7 R's consist of the right product, the right quantity, the right condition, the right place, the right time, the right customer, and the right price. This means we must move our goods from original point to the destination point with considered 7 R's. We must fit and match with this one. If you cannot or mismatch or not fit with one of the 7 R's, it means our logistic operation is not efficient. So customer will give us the complaint, the hard complaint. So in context of the lean logistic, we focus with some source of waste. What the waste type in this context? A logistic, they have a 7 waste. Consists of unnecessary transportation, and then excess inventory, and unnecessary motion of people, equipment, or machinery, and then the waste about the waiting, and then of production of a product, of processing, and last one, defect. This one, a source of waste that we must minimize or reduce or eliminate, so our logistic operation can be operate with the high efficiency. Next, in context our paper, what the objective of the study? Our objective is analyzing the need for traceability technology specification, especially for small and medium scale layered chicken farm, and specific the definition of traceability technology in this study. Technology specification is the type of traceability equipment that is suitable for inbound logistic operation and support the application of the lean concept. The types of equipment in this study is consists of a data storage media, data readers, and then interaction mechanism or framework of the two components. So our objective is how to identify and determine components of the traceability technology to support the particular logistic operation. Especially, we apply this study in a layer chicken farm. So our technology specification propose specific only for a layer chicken farm logistic operation. So next, we talk about the methodology. The methodology in this study, the study only considered three alternative traceability technology. We assess barcode, QR, and RFID, radio frequency identification. So the study apply at the house of quality of the quality function deployment. We apply KFD, but the KFD only limited with applying the house of quality. And then the stages of the study consists of identification of design requirements, formulation of technical response, and finally determining priorities. Next, study results. Firstly, let me show house of quality. This one is house of quality. The house quality consists of customer requirement and then technical response. Customer requirement, we identify, we discuss with the expert, we discuss with the owner of the business. So we obtain some requirement that is easy to use, quick for inventory calculation, reusable, reliable, reasonable price, and good and complete record for release, good and complete record of harvest. And then technical response. This one, how to relationship with the customer requirement. The technical response consists of the big inventory, big storage capacity, and then in this one resistant to dirty, and then this one so for small font, sorry, this one, the technical response that we obtain from discuss with the some expert. The expert give us consideration what kind of the technical response must consider to choose or to select alternative barcode, QR, and then RFID. Next, after we identify the technical response and then customer requirement, we discuss with the owner of the business to analyze or to assess relationship between customer requirement and technical response. This one sign or code represent about the strongly or weak relationship between both of the customer requirement and technical response. After that, with the method of the house quality, we can calculate the total of week, and then we can make the rank or parity from the higher week to the lower week. And next, a result about the priority. This one a summary from house of quality. The priority of design requirement as below: reasonable price, good and complete record of the harvest, usable, reliable, good and complete record for release, easy to use, quick for inventory calculation. This one the priority from the higher week to the lower week. And then how about priority in the technical response? Priority of the technical response, first radio and electromagnetic signal, and the waterproof, resistant to dirty environment, wireless scanners or readers, sticker paper, big memory capacity, record repeatedly, and then user guidelines. This one the priority from the high priority to the low priority related with the technical response. Next, result about comparison of the technical specification. This one, a table with the customer requirement, and this one, technical response with the table with the technical response. So we compare from a barcode, a QR code, RFID related with the customer requirement. And then this one, similarly, we compare barcode, QR, and RFID related with the technical response. So you can see almost component of the customer requirement, RFID can fulfill or match with the customer requirement. And similarly, RFID can fit all of the technical response. So we can make a conclusion that RFID is fit and match, fit and proper to apply to support operation logistic in poultry farming. And next, conclusion. The selection of new technology is strategic or long-term. We may conclude that RFID is the appropriate technology in traceability technology in order to support logistic operation in poultry farm. And this context, decision maker can formulate technical criteria from the parameter of design requirement and technical response. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.